Hey and welcome to this video. My name is Johannes, and in this video I'm going to show you how to buy Cronos crypto coin CRO on crypto.com exchange. And if you don't have an account on crypto.com, I will leave a link below in the description. If you sign up through my link and stake at least 1000 CRO tokens, you will receive $10 worth or more in CRO tokens. So you can do that if you want. Right now I'm logged in on the exchange and I'm inside dashboard, wallets and spot wallet right here. And first off, you're going to need some stable coins or BTC, Bitcoin. So if you want, you can transfer cryptocurrencies from other exchanges to crypto.com exchange. You can also make a bank transfer, so you will get USDC tokens. You can find bank transfer in the menu to the left right here. You can see bank transfer, bank accounts, add your bank account, transfer US dollar from your bank and receive your funds in USDC. So you can just click on add now. You can find lots of different information. You can click on next and then you will have to get started and add your bank account, billing address, and then you should be fine. But as I said, if you have some USDT, Bitcoin or USDC available at other exchanges, you can deposit them. Just make sure that you match. If you have USDT on another exchange, you can click on deposit and make sure you select the right network. So I deposited with BEP20, which is the Binance Smart Chain from Binance. And if you aren't sure how to do this, I suggest you deposit a very small amount at first to see that it gets credited and everything works as it should. The safest way is probably just to make a bank transfer, but you do your own research. This is not financial advice. This is just for educational purposes. So you can see I have some USDT available. And to buy the CRO token, Cronos coin, I will go to CRO coin right here and you can see trade, CRO USDT, CRO USDC and CRO BTC. So I will click on CRO USDT. So now I'm able to trade and buy the CRO token. You can see the chart right here. You can see an order book with different prices people are selling and buying for. You can see master account, buy and sell. So I will keep it on buy right here. And then you can see limit, market, stop limit. So I will click on market because that way I will get the market price and I will just buy from the people who are selling. So I don't need to select the price myself. If you keep it on limit, you can select the price and you obviously do as you want, but I will keep it on market. And then I will just select an amount of USDT I want to spend to buy my CRO tokens. So I will drag it to, let's say, 50%. And I will get approximately 51.36 CRO tokens. Now I will just have to click on buy CRO. And the order has been submitted. You can see I don't have any open order because my order should have been completed and filled. So I will go to order history and now it's on 1 day and you can see the time I placed my order. You can see buy, you can see CRO USDT, market price. You can see how many CRO tokens I have received and for what price. And obviously when you select market order, you will probably get a bit more expensive price. If you keep it on limit, you will probably get it for a bit cheaper price. So there's a downside to choosing market sometimes. But anyways, this should be pretty straightforward. This is how you buy the CRO coin. And now you will be able to see under assets CRO how many Cronos tokens I have. You can also go back to dashboard and to your wallets and spot. And then you will be able to see under coin, CRO, your balance, the USD value. So anyways, that's how you buy the Cronos coin. Hopefully you found value in this video. Feel free to give it a thumbs up. Feel free to subscribe to my channel for more cryptocurrency tutorials. I will leave links below in the description to Cronos chain tutorials if you want to start using the Cronos chain. Thank you for watching this video. Hopefully I'll see you around. Have a nice day and goodbye.